Ever feel like you're constantly juggling life's demands, and a trip to the bank just feels like another item on an already overflowing to-do list? What if I told you there's a way to manage your money, pay bills, and even send money to friends, all from the comfort of your couch, your commute, or wherever you happen to be? We live in a digital age, where convenience is king, and banking is no exception. Traditional brick-and-mortar banks still play a vital role, but increasingly, people are turning to the power of online banking to simplify their financial lives. And if you're in Canada or the United States, chances are you've heard of TD Bank. But what exactly is TD Online Banking? Think of TD Online Banking as your personal, secure gateway to your TD accounts, accessible through the internet on your computer, tablet, or smartphone. It's essentially a digital branch of TD Bank that's open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, allowing you to conduct a wide range of banking activities without ever stepping foot inside a physical branch. So, what can you actually do with TD Online Banking? The possibilities are quite extensive. At its core, it allows you to easily monitor your finances. You can check your account balances for checking, savings, credit cards, and even investments. You can review your transaction history, seeing exactly where your money is going and coming from. This level of transparency empowers you to stay on top of your financial health and identify any unusual activity quickly. Beyond simply checking balances, TD Online Banking enables you to perform essential transactions with ease. Need to pay a bill? You can set up payees and schedule payments, ensuring your bills are paid on time, every time. Want to transfer funds between your TD accounts? It's a simple and instantaneous process. You can also send money securely to other people through features like Interac e-Transfer in Canada or Zelle in the United States, making splitting bills or sending gifts a breeze. But TD Online Banking offers more than just basic transactions. It often includes features designed to help you manage your money more effectively. You might find tools for budgeting, allowing you to track your spending and set financial goals. Some platforms offer insights into your spending patterns, helping you identify areas where you can save. You can also often set up alerts to notify you of low balances, large transactions, or upcoming bill due dates, helping you avoid overdraft fees and stay organized. Security is, of course, a paramount concern when it comes to online banking. TD Bank invests heavily in security measures to protect your information and your money. This includes encryption technology to safeguard your data as it travels between your device and their servers, as well as multi-factor authentication, which adds an extra layer of security by requiring you to provide more than just a password to access your account. It's always crucial to practice good online security habits yourself, such as using strong, unique passwords and being cautious of phishing attempts. Getting started with TD Online Banking is usually a straightforward process. If you're already a TD customer, you can typically enroll through the TD website or mobile app. You'll likely need to provide some personal information and create login credentials. Once enrolled, you can access your accounts anytime, anywhere with an internet connection. In today's fast-paced world, TD Online Banking provides a convenient, secure, and efficient way to manage your finances. It puts you in control, allowing you to handle your banking needs on your own schedule, saving you time and effort. From checking balances to paying bills and transferring funds, it offers a comprehensive suite of tools to simplify your financial life. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.